MP4 video not playing on VLC Media Player, you can try the following solutions. Disable hardware-accelerated decoding. Open VLC, go to Tools and Preferences. At the bottom left, select All under Show Settings. Navigate to Input/Codecs, then Video Codecs, and then FFmpeg. Set hardware-accelerated decoding to disable. Save and restart VLC. This often resolves playback issues caused by hardware incompatibility. Update VLC to the latest version. Open VLC, go to Help, and then check for updates. Download and install the latest version. Newer versions often include fixes for codec compatibility and bug patches. Check and configure video settings. In VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences, and then Video. Ensure Enable Video and Window Decorations are checked. Save and restart VLC. Repair a corrupted MP4 file. If your MP4 file does not play on VLC, it may be corrupted. You can try using VLC to fix the problem. Go to Media and choose Convert/Save. On the next window, click on Add. Select your video clip. Then click on Convert/Save. Under Profile, choose H.264 and MP3. Select a destination and hit Start. This will re-encode your file and fix any minor file corruption. Convert your MP4 file. Alternatively, convert the MP4 file to another format, such as MOV or AVI, using a video converter, and then try playing it again. You may use an online video converter like Cloud Convert if you have a small file. You can also download a free converter program, such as Format Factory, to convert larger MP4 files. Reset file association. Fix file association issues by selecting VLC as your default program for MP4 files if another player has been selected. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings and then Apps and Default Apps. Scroll and click on Choose Default Apps by File Type. Scroll down and find the .mp4 extension. Click on the current default app and select VLC Media Player as your preferred player from the list. Reinstall VLC. If none of the above fixes work, try reinstalling VLC. This will ensure that all codecs are properly installed and functioning correctly. Download the latest version of VLC from the official website. We hope any of the above fixes work for you.